Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to set up and check your storage in your Galaxy M15. To do this operation, go to settings and search for the option name device care. That's it. There you will have a storage and you will see how many storage you have. It's 128 gigabytes. I'm used 21%. You can check for the web files, it's audio files, image and more. As you see, the system gets the 14 gigabytes and up to 10 gigabytes. You can add the Google Drive on OneDrive to check it. You can retell your bind. You can delete unused apps. You can check the duplicate files and large files. And that's all about the managed storage in your phone. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!